Hey there, I'm Joe and you're watching a full video on my YouTube channel on applying semi-permanent nail polish. I won't be going with the regular all my nails same color. I'll try something new and I thought of applying black nail polish, dark red, pink, powder pink and white. Let's get going. Interesting, huh? I will apply 2 layers of colored nail polish and after each applying, I'll let them dry in the UV lamp. Definitely something else, right? If you have any crazy ideas of combinations of colors that I can try for you, just share them with me and I would be more than happy to try them. Subscribe for more videos and follow me as I have many tips and tricks for you and many ideas for your nails. Take care. Bye.